Ah, finally out of the car. Yeah,
Easy.
very, very impressed with himself.
Looks like there's been a massacre underneath the
Yeah. Couple of bodies under there.
Oh dear. Yeah. Oh, I can't even find the. I'm gonna need to find the proper, the man size 13. Oh, fuck me, dude.
What's actually holding this? Oh, there's a
Nothing.
thing there. No, there is. There's a thing there.
Oh, is it? That's holding the whole thing from falling down then.
So we've taken the exhaust off. It's very dark under here. Now we've got to work on the drive shaft, get rid of that, and then we can get the transmission out.
Yeah, a little bit. What's that?
Might need your help for that. Oh, that's really on.
Sweet, we'll put the big ass bar on it.
Ooh.
It's not loose, is it?
Bit of tension on that.
Yeah.
It's like, gets easy, gets hard. Gets easy.
That's in the car.
Oh yeah. Get ready for smashing the window. Can't get this thing off now.
Oh dear.
Oop. Having a real hard time with this drive shaft.
Yeah, bolts are a bit tight.
Yep. Oh mate.
Is it tight?
Yep.
Looks like it.
Man, this is so sketchy.
What is that?
Because I keep nearly dropping stuff on my face.
Don't you like it when you do though?
Not really.
Oh. Apart from the pain part, at least you know what this stuff is.
Yeah, when you get A&E.
Yeah.
So I know it's metal shaving.
Yeah. Notice you've got no teeth here, but you've got a 19mm socket in your mouth. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna shit myself. God, that's solid.
They wouldn't be nice under here though, would it?
Not for you.
Oh, I don't imagine it'd be good for you either.
This is because I gotta clean it up.
Get the old water blaster out.
That's exactly what I'll do.
Just spread it around everywhere, eh?
That's right. It's the only thing you can really do with it. Only one more to go.
Sweet.
That's the easy ones done.
Yeah.
I've actually never owned a car with bolts like they are on this. They've never been so tight, I've got to do that. Like I'm pushing off the wall.
Sweet. Next. Was it on the body yet?
Yep. So they're just skimming around a little bit.
Whoa.
Tight.
Yeah.
How much the gearbox moves though for that strain on it. Don't smack your knuckles.
I'm thinking that as well. This can't be good for wrenches, eh? No. Holy moly. Alright.
It's actually so stuck to this, it's actually pulling the gearbox apart.
Oh.
It's actually just rusted it.
Yeah, this is it.
Well, we don't want to do that. We don't want to pull oil everywhere. It's fucking stuck in the yoke. I mean, we could, but then we're just going to have oil everywhere.
There we go.
There we go.
Part 1 done.
Okay, now there's tools absolutely everywhere.
What next?
Bolts,
Bell
mini
housing?
bolts. Yeah.
Bell housing.
There was a nerve.
Aaron's got his hammer technique down.
Yep, that's right. Someone's got it.
There's so much oil.
Yeah, no, this is going to be gross as.
Should we drain the fluid?
How? Turn the car on, pump it out.
Yeah. Yeah, let's do that.
No, there's no drain plugs. Ew! Literally got my hands in grease. It's pretty gross. I'm pretty young. I like to lick my fingers afterwards. Ew! Just be careful. This doesn't slide out now and kill you.
What?
This metal guillotine that's going to come flying out in a minute.
So we're ready to get this, pull this transmission out. We're not going to come far back, are we?
Well, if we do, we've got bigger problems than the GoPro. Probably more staying alive is probably more I'll be worried about.
Sweet. We need to worry about the oil?
No. It's going to make a mess. So. It is what it is.
Oh, there we go.
Is it free? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so we need to slowly go down. Just hold it for a sec. Ew! I'm going to have a shower now. That covered me. That was splashed on me. Ooh! Okay, let's go down then. More.
There'll be nothing else holding it now.
No, it should just be.
From my side, it just looks like a pool of blood.
It's pretty gross, eh? Oh, shoot, I got splashed.
That's what I was trying not to do.
Did you hold on to it?
I don't think it cut me. That's good.
Okay, pull the jack out and then we'll slide this like the bore out. Let me just get rid of that. I think that's all we'll be doing in the car today because the pulling is a huge plank.
Ah, finally out of the car. Aaron looked
Easy.
Very impressed with himself.
Looks like there's been a massacre underneath. But
Yeah.
good.
Couple of bodies under there. And
Easy.
tidy it up and then hopefully start on the engine next time.